For sale, 2022 Freightliner M2 Non-Cdl 26-foot box truck with liftgate, collision avoidance, low hours. The 2022 Freightliner M2 is a dependable medium-duty box truck engineered for both fleet and independent operators, seeking a reliable, non-CDL solution. It is powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter diesel engine, producing 220 horsepower, paired with an Allison 2200RDS 6-speed automatic transmission for smooth and consistent performance. Built on a 270-inch wheelbase and rated at a 26,000-pound GVWR, it provides the right balance of strength and maneuverability for local and regional distribution. The body is a 26-foot aluminum van by Haire Manufacturing, designed with durability and utility in mind. It features interior dimensions of 26 feet long, 103 inches high, and 102 inches wide, complete with 2 rows of E-tracks for secure cargo handling. The box includes a translucent roof, walk-up ramp, and a 3,000-pound aluminum tuckaway liftgate, making loading and unloading both efficient and safe. A roll-up rear door ensures quick access for dock or ground operations. For added safety, the truck is equipped with a WABCO collision avoidance system and lane keep alert, enhancing driver confidence and reducing risk on the road. Supported by air ride suspension and an 80-gallon aluminum fuel tank, it offers comfort and range during long workdays. The unit rides on a single rear axle rated at 19,000 pounds and a front axle rated at 10,000 pounds, ensuring stable load distribution. This unit reflects careful fleet maintenance and shows only 99,860 miles with 3,126 engine hours. It carries a one-owner Carfax, is accident-free, rust-free, and comes with service records available. Finished in white with a gray interior, it presents in immaculate condition and is fully work-ready.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.